If you were a motorcycle, what kind would you be? That all depends on who you are, right? Are you high energy? Maybe you're relaxed. Do you like adventure? Maybe you just like getting stuff done around town. Well, one of the many cool things about motorcycles is that there's pretty much a type of bike for every type of person. You've got your sport bikes, for example, which are often sleek and aerodynamic. They're built for performance and agility, especially at high speed. Maybe you've seen a rider flying around a racetrack dragging their knee or elbow. They were probably on a sport bike. Then there are cruisers. They usually have low seat heights, wide handlebars, and a more relaxed riding position. They're good for, well, just cruising around. Scooters are the ticket if you want convenience or if you've always wanted to pretend you live in Barcelona. They're perfect for a city, they're small, they're easy to ride, and they often have waterproof storage. Now, people will make fun of scooters, but can I tell you a secret from a lifelong motorcyclist? There's one on my shirt. Adventure bikes are the SUVs of the motorcycling world. They're good around town, but they really shine when the going gets rough. They're ideal for long road trips, for camping, or for just getting lost in general. If you want to get serious off-road, you will want a dirt bike. Some of them are capable of truly ridiculous things, but you don't have to jump 2 stories in the air to appreciate that they are light and rugged and a great way to get dirty. A dual sport is basically just a dirt bike that's legal to ride on public roads. If that sounds like a bad idea, it's not. They're great for bumpy city streets, for bumpy rural roads, and all of the bumps you might find in between. And of course, if all of this seems like too flippin' much, you can get yourself what we would call a standard motorcycle. It's not really any of the things I've mentioned so far, but don't let the name fool you. You can take these things as far away from standard as you like. So come ride with us. Whether you've always known what type of bike you are or you're just starting to figure it out, check out the link below to learn how easy it is to get started on a motorcycle. We have all of the information and support you need to get out there on your first ride.